In section 4 of module 6, we do a little bit of a history lesson on trends in diversification and vertical integration. So first, diversification, some of the trends. So from like 1920 to 1950, most firms in the US were basically single business firms. But then around 1960 to 1980, you see this big uptick in conglomerates, right? A lot of unrelated diversification starts occurring. But then in 1980, right, through pretty much today, right, we've seen a big decrease in unrelated diversification. We've seen a decrease in the conglomerates. And why is this? Well, as we talked about in this section, there's this thing called the diversification discount. And essentially, if you're a stock market analyst trying to value a stock and trying to determine what a stock's worth, when you look at an unrelated diversified firm, the question becomes, well, what multiple should we apply to the firm's earnings? Do we apply it to one particular industry, to all the industries combined? Do we somehow discount the various industries that a firm's in? So this, as a result of this diversification discount, you're seeing a lot of conglomerates go away, right? So just a few conglomerates left, like General Electric and Berkshire Hathaway, right? In terms of vertical integration trends, well, vertical integration historically has always been about managing transaction costs. And so any firm that feared that its suppliers or its buyers were being opportunistic and essentially not giving them a fair shake, right? Suppliers who were charging too much for supply, buyers that weren't giving the firm what it believed to be a full price for its products, it would seek to vertically integrate. But more recently, with the advent of the internet, right, we see these business-to-business exchanges popping up. And as a result of these business-to-business exchanges, you're getting what appears to be a much more kind of true costing of supply and purchase price. And so as a result, vertical integration isn't as prevalent as it used to be.